My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. New Balances and Dunks are going to be dropping at the same time. Yes! Let's go, dude! Looks like Jordan 1 UNCs are restocking on Foot Locker. Today we've got the most important release of the week. We have Yeezy 700 Bright Blues. Adidas held it down for me with a raffle win again. It is announced that Yeezy slides are going to be releasing tomorrow. That's a real checkout, got one. Finally got something on Yeezy supply, man. Let's go. We got women dunks dropping today. I actually have a really light setup because I do not want to use all of my resources for this release. I want to save most of it for tomorrow's release, which is extremely important. Nevertheless, hopefully we get one. That would be pretty cool. Come on, man. Come on. But I have to submit it twice, bro. Nah, that's a wrap. I'm not gonna get this. Oh, yes, dude. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna stop my tasks because I do want to save my resources for tomorrow. Hopefully Khan can perform tomorrow just as good as it did today and yesterday. They took the vast majority of the stock. I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up now because I need to be as prepared as possible. Yes! Oh my god, I got one right away. Let's go. Yes, got another one. Oh my god, I got one with Nebula. Just got another one with Ganesh, let's go. Oh, another one, Nebula. Damn, Nebula's kind of killing it, man. Not even running that many tasks on it. A Ma Maniere is going to be dropping Jordan 3s in about 2 minutes. I think this is going to be one of those manual checkouts. So we're going to be trying our best. Hopefully the stock is healthy and hopefully we get one. fat ass shipping rate. Come on. Let's go. Got a size 7.5. The drops today, they went fantastic. Other than the fact that around 70 to 80% of my orders got canceled on foot sites. So basically that means I have to switch my billing profiles up around, maybe add more addresses. There is a way to bypass cancellations on foot sites. However, by the time I've decided to try and do it, it was a bit too late. So it was an error on my end for not being prepared. I didn't, just because I honestly didn't think I would get canceled that hard. One thing that did surprise me, however, though, is that Nike ShoeBot absolutely destroyed this release. So this is basically a $500 bot that anybody can buy that outperformed some of the bots that are reselling for over $5,000 on the resale market. And that's because they implemented some sort of queue bypass that not too many other bots had. And that's why they ended up being one of the top performers in terms of checkouts. Now, is this bypass still going to work in the future? Honestly, I'm not really sure, and I'm not really depending on it. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below for the purchase link for Nike ShoeBot. However, I do have to say, do not get into botting unless you join a cook group first. And I know a lot of people are waiting or trying to get into my cook group, Notify. However, as of right now, it is full, so we're not taking in extra members right this moment. But you can check out some of my friends over at Pulse. So if you still need to join a cook group, I highly suggest joining this giveaway that we are running on Twitter. You will get a chance to get a free 30-day membership from either Notify or Pulse, and also a chance to get Storme IO, which is an upcoming bot that has a lot of potential. Steps to enter the giveaway will be in the description. Pulse is a reselling community that provides everything that you need to elevate your botting and reselling career. With exclusive release information, comprehensive guides and site lists, a 24/7 dedicated support team, sneaker pre-orders under retail, instant restock alerts from their mobile app, and much more. Whether you're a beginner that's just getting started, or you're a veteran that wants to improve your results, Pulse can get you where you want to be. They will be restocking limited memberships on Twitter on May 14th, so be sure to follow them and turn on post notifications. And also, don't forget to join the giveaway in the description for your chance to get in for free for your first 30 days. Good luck. Anyways, we did get 7 shoes in the mail today. Got UNCs in the size 5.5. We got 3 Hyper Royals in. I haven't unboxed these yet, so let's see how they look in hand. They're beautiful, but I'm not that crazy about it. It is a really nice looking shoe, but honestly, it doesn't look that good in comparison to these. Just my personal opinion. We got some slides, and we also got Yeezy 700 bright blues, and we got New Balances. I guess it's cool, but I don't know, kind of boring in my opinion. And New Balance. What's up with these boxes, man? These are like the flimsiest boxes ever. Today we've got another release. We got releases back to back. We have Nike Sakai's dropping. Past few days have been very successful, so it would be amazing to get these to top it off. Not too many websites dropping, but I will be trying my best to get at least one of these. Damn it. Why'd I run concepts? I should have ran only one concepts test, because I think my chances on Kith were okay, other than the fact that I typed in the wrong answer because I was trying to rush it extra, being that I was already solving the question pretty slow to begin with. I got re-queued too on concepts. I don't know why. Oh well. Well, unfortunately, I was not able to get the Sakai's, made a couple of mistakes, and it cost me from being able to get the shoes. This was supposed to be an easy cop on Shopify, but I kind of messed up a bit. In other news, the Jordan 4 UNCs have been restocking. So far, there has been like 2 major restocks for the Jordan 4 UNCs, but during both of those restocks, I was asleep. They were restocking anytime between 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. and that's not something that Footsites used to do that often. I guess they're doing it now only because I've decided to make a conscious effort to try and have a proper sleeping schedule, but I'm not going to beat myself up over it, being that there is no way I could have predicted they were going to be restocking at those times. Basically, unless you just stay up, you know? And that basically sums up my issues with shock drops. Anyways, today we do have another very big release. Today we've got the Jordan 6 Travis Scott's. In my opinion, this one is going to be mostly luck. And is luck going to be on my side for me to get these sneakers? We're going to find out on the next episode.